Hello there, I hope you're well. What I'm going to show you today is how to refill these types of canisters using these types of canisters. It's really quite straightforward, and all you need is one of these little adapter valve things that you can buy from Amazon and eBay. First things first, when you buy these from new, what you must do is weigh them and then write the weight underneath in a permanent marker pen. And as you can see, I've already done that with these, and that's to make sure you don't overfill them. I did attempt to refill a cheaper canister than these Coleman ones, and there appeared to be some what you might call stretch marks in the neck of the can. I didn't really pay them any heed, and I don't know whether it was because I'd overfilled the can, but the can actually ruptured, as you can see in these pictures, and it did split and all the gas leaked out. So you don't want that happening. So make sure you use quality gas canisters, probably Coleman ones. There may be others available, but just check them when you buy them just to make sure that they are actually solid and that there are no, as I say, kind of stretch marks in the metal around the neck or anywhere really for that matter. But the important thing is to weigh them, write the weight underneath, and then you can refill them. So we're going to refill this one today because this one's empty. So as you can see, that's 195, should have 195 grams. If we turn the scales on and weigh that, you can see it weighs about 100 grams. So we're going to put about 95 grams of gas into there. Now this has been in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and the one that you're filling needs to be frozen for about 15-20 minutes, something along those lines. That's creates a compression. So there's two types of gas here. We've got butane gas and butane propane mix. These are a butane propane mix. What that means is these are better in colder temperatures. These ones, great for summer use, but this is the one you want for all year round use, 4-season use. So we're going to fill using one of these today. As I say, we're going to fill that one, and we're going to get it to about 195 grams, maybe 190. Okay, let's crack on. So what you need to do with this is first is just warm it up under a warm tap, like so. And then once you've warmed it up, the objective is only just to gently warm it. Let's create a little bit of space on here so that we can see what's going on. Then pop your little valve in the top of the one you're filling up, insert this one into there and push down, and you'll hear it hiss. I generally count to about 20 and then check it to see where we're up to in terms of the gas going in. So there we go, look, about 25 grams of gas has gone in already. I think I might speed this up a little bit. And you don't want to do that. So there you go, 192 grams, and I think we'll leave that there. When you think about it, this is no different to refilling an electric lighter. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you have, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you've got any questions, by all means ask them in the comments. If you like what I'm doing on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification. All it means is you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube if I've uploaded another video. And you wouldn't want to miss out now, would you? So that's all for now. You take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Cheerio.